Aaron Loves Apples and Pumpkins by P.D. Eastman. This is Aaron. Aaron is an alligator. Aaron and his friends play hide and seek. Maybe he will hide behind the barrel. Maybe he will hide under the barrel. They found Aaron in the barrel. How did they know he was in there? Aaron and his friends watch football. Aaron and his friends play football. Aaron can kick. Aaron can catch. Aaron can run. Tackle! His friends are good at football too. Aaron is ready for Halloween. His friends like his costume. These kids are afraid of the ghost. Oops! The ghost tripped and fell. It is not a ghost. It is Aaron. How did she know it was him? Aaron's friends are picking apples. Aaron knows a better way. Aaron shows them. Thump, thump, thump. Down come the apples. Aaron sure knew a better way. The end.